Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with towering skyscrapers and busy streets, there lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was a curious and adventurous soul, always eager to explore the world around him. One sunny afternoon, while rummaging through his grandfather's attic, Ethan stumbled upon an old, dusty backpack tucked away in a forgotten corner. Its worn leather and faded colors hinted at its forgotten past. But there was something about it that intrigued Ethan. As he gently brushed away the dust, Ethan noticed a small, shimmering button hidden beneath the folds of the backpack. Curiosity piqued. He pressed the button, and a magical transformation began to unfold. The backpack's straps stretched and grew. Its fabric transformed into a vibrant rainbow of colors, and a pair of shimmering wings sprouted from its sides. Ethan's eyes widened with amazement as he realized that he had discovered a magical backpack, a gateway to endless adventures. With a mix of excitement and trepidation, he strapped on the backpack and felt a surge of energy course through him. With a leap of faith, Ethan jumped into the air, his wings beating rhythmically, lifting him higher and higher into the sky. The city lights twinkled beneath him like a sea of stars as he soared above the rooftops, the cool night air rushing through his hair. Ethan's magical backpack took him on extraordinary journeys. He flew over lush green forests, soaring alongside majestic eagles, and glided over sparkling oceans, befriending playful dolphins. He even ventured into the depths of a magical forest, where he met mischievous fairies and wise old talking trees. Along his adventures, Ethan discovered that the magical backpack was more than just a means of transportation. It was a tool that helped him see the world in a new light, teaching him the importance of empathy, kindness, and courage. He learned to appreciate the beauty of nature, the diversity of cultures, and the power of friendship. As the years passed, Ethan grew into a wise and compassionate young man, his heart filled with the memories and lessons he had learned from his magical backpack adventures. He never forgot the day he discovered the hidden button, the day that opened up a world of wonder and transformed his life forever.